In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Outlook to Notion. We'll walk through exactly where to go inside Notion to find the Outlook connector, and I'll point out an important requirement you'll need before you can turn it on. Start by opening Notion on the web or desktop and signing into the workspace where you want the connection. Look to the corner of the Notion window for your profile. This is usually your avatar or initials. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is your quick gateway to personal preferences and workspace controls, and it's the easiest way to reach the settings you'll need for integrations. From that menu, choose Settings. This brings you to the main settings area where you can manage both account level options and workspace level features. If you use multiple workspaces, double check the workspace name near the top so you're adjusting the right place. Some options here are controlled by admins, so if you don't see something mentioned, you may need additional permissions. Inside Settings, find and open the Connections section. Connections is where Notion centralizes all app integrations and authorizations. It's the hub for reviewing what's already connected, controlling data permissions, and discovering official connectors that can expand what Notion can do with your existing tools. Next, click Explore. This opens Notion's integration gallery for your workspace. Here, you can browse the available connectors and learn what each integration can access and automate. It's a great place to confirm whether an app is officially supported and what level of access it requires. If you're exploring with a specific tool in mind, this is where you'd look for Outlook. Now, an important note before you proceed: connecting Microsoft Outlook to Notion requires the Notion Enterprise plan. If you're on the free, plus, or business plan, you'll see that the Outlook connector is restricted. That's by design. Email integrations and advanced admin controls are part of enterprise features. If you're working in a company workspace, your best next step is to contact your workspace admin or IT team to confirm your plan and request access. If you manage your own workspace and need Outlook connectivity, consider upgrading to Enterprise and ensuring that admin approvals are enabled for new connections. Once your workspace is on Enterprise, the Outlook option in the Explore view will become available, and you can proceed to authorize access using your work or school Microsoft account, subject to any admin review policies. And that's it. You now know exactly where to find the Outlook integration path in Notion and the plan requirement you'll need to meet before turning it on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.